critical is Jeannie's testimony in proving a motive of murder here? I mean, prosecutors say the financial schemes is a possible motive.
It's really incredible to hear her, how the possible nefarious hidings of things, the misrepresentations. The problem from the defense standpoint is there's kind of a trial within trial going on, right? So as the jury hears this, is the jury going to be thinking about, well, because this guy possibly stole money, he must have killed his wife and son? So it's a really delicate balance that the judge is trying to do. But from my perspective, as someone who works in a law firm, I love hearing this stuff like, oh, my God, people steal stuff. This is so cool. And I think the jury, even as lay people, are going to be very interested, too. Like, oh, my God, this happens. But the danger is, and this is why it's outside of the jury initially, is the jury going to be so upset over what the CFO is saying, well, and then go, oh, well, then he must have killed his wife and kid. That's the balance.
Ron, about 40 seconds here. Are you surprised at how deep some of these accounts are of Murdaugh's misappropriation of funds here?
I am surprised because one would think that this stuff would be red flagged and someone would do something about it. But in these dynamics, especially with the older firms where people have been running these businesses for 20, 30 years, you don't push back, right? You don't say truth to power, but unfortunately things like this happen, and hopefully things change systemically.